A division bench of the Delhi High Court will tomorrow hear Future Retail's appeal against the single judge bench order which had asked for status quo to be maintained with respect to Future Retail and Reliance Group deal. Appearing for Future Retail, senior lawyer Darius Khambata sought an urgent stay on the order which had halted the deal in view of likelihood of NCLT hearing the merger petition tomorrow. While Future Retail sought an urgent hearing to avert a possible insolvency, Amazon had opposed the request, claiming unimaginable magnitude of damage to public at large due to the deal being stalled. Future Retail's petition had claimed that livelihood of over 25,000 of its employees and another 25,000 employees of group companies will be lost if the deal falls through. Future Retail has submitted that rupees 30,000 crores is owed to financial creditors of its group, which will remain at significant risk, and public sector banks which have lent money to future group companies will have to bear this loss if the deal with Reliance Group does not take place. The petition has cited potential losses to operational creditors of future group companies and the looming threat of insolvency on 6,000 SMEs which are the group's vendors. The petition has contended that the public money in form of bank loans and debentures issued by future group companies remains at risk due to the status quo order which was passed on the basis of the emergency arbitrator's order. Future Retail has reiterated its opposition to the emergency arbitrator's order, claiming that the same was not enforceable under Indian law. Claiming that the balance of convenience in the case to be in its favor, Future Retail had pointed to last year's single judge bench order of the Delhi High Court which had upheld its August 29 board resolution to proceed with the Reliance deal. Yesterday, the Delhi High Court's single judge bench had asked for status quo to be maintained on the 27,513 crore Future Retail Reliance Group deal from 4:50 p.m. IST on the 2nd of February 2021 till the date when a detailed interim order would be pronounced by the High Court. A single judge bench of Justice J.R. Midha asked Future Group to place on record all steps which were taken after the emergency arbitral order was passed on October 25 last year. The High Court held that the emergency arbitrator's order was passed to protect Amazon's interests and was enforceable as per the Arbitration Act under Indian law. All authorities and regulators have been asked to maintain status quo on all matters of violation of the arbitrator's order. The High Court had passed orders after Future Retail had turned down its suggestion to maintain status quo on the deal with Reliance Group and had even refused to engage in talks with Amazon, claiming that they were not privy to a contract and talks will create confusion. Amazon had moved the High Court to stall the deal after Future Retail moved NCLT seeking approval for the deal which was already cleared by SEBI and CCI.